Yeah, I'm going over to the Kitco to actually see what's happening to gold and silver. Got a little bit of sleep, but I'm one of those people who, when I start smelling something, my mind starts going on fire. When I think I'm on to something. So, that's what happens to me. My mind ends up this way. So, gold and silver are, per the Kitco, are actually they're saying that they're struggling to reverse the trend. The footprints left by price action are clear. Gold and silver have a higher probability of going lower. There's no logical reason to be long the metals until the trend has turned. So they're saying basically the same thing. It's kind of a bad time to go long. When you're trading, you only care about the time frame under which you're trading, which is like again, this is the implications of what I just told you are pretty important about that. Over the long run, over the eternity, everybody's going to be dead. So you must keep emotions and opinions out. All markets move based on price, and the map left behind, it's that simple. And looking at the chart, that you're looking at and all this, it went down and now it's going back up, but what if that's kind of a dead cat bounce type situation on these? Maybe it's refusing to accept that it went down. We got all that action buying, it because it's down, but losses are established on an entry of a trade when it's correlated to the time frame you're trading. Gold and silver trade like every other market, going higher, lower. Eventually, gold and silver and platinum will be higher, but until proven otherwise, the trend is down. Precious metals should be owned on a physical basis with capital that's not needed tomorrow or anytime soon. Trading should be done with paper, knowing that we can trade either side without emotions. Yeah, exactly. But looking at and like looking at this chart and just how extreme the rally actually was, it just, yeah, that seems a little bit with silver, after that fall, to the downside, just yeah, that, so it hits about 21.8, and then it shot all the way up to 21, 9.43. In all markets, price action determines what will happen next day, week, or month. Please keep the two strategies separate. The worst trade anyone can make is turning a trade into an investment, hoping for a way out. Traders must learn to take their losses and move on to the next trade. Patience, discipline, and money management always win the day. Let's map the market. Let the map of the market show you the way. Well, I'm looking at that map that's in the Kitco, and what I'm seeing is that right now silver is going like it went, and that line that is in the Kitco seems to be like very, very up, and that would, if I'm paying attention to what I've learned, that would make me flee for the exits, because now silver just shot up by a good by a good amount. You want to take your profit and get the hell out of there, after what happened, and it's the same with gold. Yeah, I wouldn't want to be staying in those after especially because it's a rapid rise after a very recent fall on both of those charts, and so both of those are alarming. Are bearish signals that you know what's happening is not exactly rational in them.